Have you ever noticed how truly wealthy people seem to operate differently? They don't flaunt their wealth with flashy cars, expensive watches, or extravagant parties. Instead, they build their fortunes in silence, making strategic moves that most people never even realize. While the majority are chasing quick money, the rich are quietly executing habits that guarantee long-term success. And today, I'm going to reveal exactly what these silent strategies are, things the rich do behind the scenes that set them apart from the rest. By the end of this video, you'll have a completely different perspective on wealth building. Stay until the end, because the last habit is the most surprising of them all. One of the first things truly wealthy people do in silence is spend less than they can afford. It sounds simple, but this is a fundamental rule they follow strictly. While many believe that getting rich means earning more and spending more, the rich understand that wealth isn't about income. It's about how much you keep and invest. Billionaires like Warren Buffett, for example, live in modest homes, drive simple cars, and avoid unnecessary expenses. They prioritize accumulating assets over showing off wealth. This discipline allows their money to grow exponentially over time instead of being wasted on fleeting luxuries. Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of one of the world's most valuable companies, drives simple cars and wears basic t-shirts. Why? Because he understands that true wealth isn't in material possessions, but in financial freedom and strategic investments. The wealthiest people don't feel the need to prove their success through what they own. Instead, they let their net worth speak for itself. If you want to build real wealth, you need to learn to cut unnecessary expenses and focus on accumulating assets. The rich know how to direct their money to make more money. Instead of buying luxury items that depreciate, they invest in stocks, real estate, and businesses that generate long-term value. The silent habit here? Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be multiplied. Another thing wealthy people do in silence is master the art of negotiation. You might think negotiating is only necessary for big business deals, but in reality, rich people negotiate everything, from the price of a house to investment opportunities. They know that small savings today compound into massive gains over time. While most people accept the first price they're given, the wealthy take their time, analyze the market, and make strategic moves that maximize their profits. An important yet subtle habit of the rich is their ability to say no. Most people spread themselves too thin, agreeing to every opportunity that comes their way. But the wealthy know that their time and energy are their most valuable assets. They silently reject distractions, unnecessary meetings, and unprofitable ventures, focusing only on what truly aligns with their financial goals. They operate with laser precision, investing their time only where it brings the highest return. Networking is another silent habit of the wealthy. However, they don't network in the traditional, superficial way. Instead, they build deep, meaningful relationships with influential people. While the average person views networking as collecting business cards, the rich focus on genuine connections, seeking mentors, business partners, and like-minded individuals who can help them grow. These silent alliances often lead to exclusive opportunities that the general public never hears about. And here's one of the most overlooked habits. The rich are obsessed with learning, but they don't just consume random content. They carefully select books, courses, and mentors that align with their goals. While the majority spend their time passively scrolling through social media, the wealthy dedicate hours to self-education. They read books on finance, psychology, and business, always looking for ways to improve and stay ahead. Perhaps the most surprising silent habit of the rich is that they avoid attention. Many believe that wealthy people love the spotlight, but in reality, the richest individuals keep a low profile. They don't boast about their earnings, investments, or financial strategies. This secrecy protects their wealth, keeps them focused, and allows them to move strategically without unnecessary scrutiny. Now you might be wondering, how can you apply these silent habits to your own life? The first step is awareness, understanding that true wealth is built quietly, not through flashy displays of success. Start by cutting unnecessary expenses, learning to negotiate, focusing on meaningful relationships, and dedicating time to financial education. If you can adopt even a few of these habits, you'll already be on a path that most people will never follow. If this video was valuable to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, which of these silent habits surprised you the most? See you in the next video.